What up, peeps? What's up? How's everybody doing? We are back. We're back in Austin, Texas after a very expensive road trip. We have had so much shit happen. Use your signal. We have had so much stuff happen in the past couple of weeks here. We did our first comedy show. Remember when I said I started comedy and I was doing open mics? Those days are over. I'm a real comedian now. I did Shit's Golden, which is Chris Tellez's monthly Monday show. First Monday of every month, and it's the longest running comedy show in Austin. Been going on since 2013. Absolutely nuts. That was super fun. We are on our way to the pedestrian bridge to meet up for a Zoos ride. The Zoos boys. Should be a nice little ride, but you know there's going to definitely be some stunt boys there as well. Oh, I got a job. Man, I wasn't going to tell you guys this, but I got a freaking job. All you haters for 4 years that have been saying, what do you do for work? And I'm like, this. I make these videos that you're watching. No, but how do you make money? I don't need money. My life costs nothing. Yeah, then my bus crapped out on me to a very expensive degree, to the point where I had to get a job. But guess what? I actually love it. I'm a door guy. I'm a door guy at but they're training me to do anything. So I'll be bartending in no time. And you know what that means, guys? Lots of free drinks for my homies. And also lots of pussy. For me. You see the way that girl looked at me? She knows I'm a bartender. She knows I'm an aspiring bartender. Yeah. I honestly love it though, even though I'm working like more than I want to. It's still nice because it's super easy and it's just so much money. I made more money this weekend than I did, well, not this month, not last month or this month on YouTube, because that freaking altercation on the bike path video has been banging, dude. 16 million views. It gets like 300,000 views a day. It's like I don't even need to. It's like my YouTube channel runs itself, you know. But yeah, I made more money than I made more money than I averagely make in a month, in one weekend. Just standing by a door and being like, yeah, you can come in. No, you can't come in. Yes, you can come in. No, not you. I hope they're there. I'm so freaking late. Oh yeah, we're here on time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, get ready for some OG LA skate type content. Oh boy. A couple of troublemakers showed up. One of them is Mr. Paul So Hard. All right. I will say, probably bad meeting spot. Probably a bad meeting spot for a bunch of e-bikes and 4 dirt bikes. This video is definitely not monetized, so be sure to check out the sponsor for this video.
Hey guys, this video is sponsored by the 12 volt 20 amp and 24 volt 10 amp charger from Ably. This charger is 7-stage microprocessor controlled, professional automatic switch mode for charging AGM, GEL, SLA, and wet LiFePO 4 batteries. Overheat, overcharge, short circuit, and reverse polarity protection. Maximize battery life. I use this thing when I'm charging my bus battery when I don't get enough sun, and it's absolutely incredible. Check out the link in the description below.
We got the most outside guys of all time with us. Anxiety. Okay. Let's say what's up to some of our homies. You know, I'd much rather ride with stinky gas bikes that are very talented in the stunts than anybody with a Bluetooth speaker. This is a Zeus ride. These little electric BMX bikes. That's concerning. Sheesh, y'all. Oh, you guys are looking at bats, huh? Oh, did you see any bats? Did you? Did you see any bats? No, you didn't. I've tried to see the bats like 5 times now. Never once have I seen these bats. Jesus, bro. Oh my god, dude, no-hander lander. girls aren't pedaling. They're in love. They're in love. All right, memory card got full. I neglected my storage. Go ahead. Memory card. I neglected my memory card storage. But I was saying bye anyways because I have to go to work. I have to go to my job where I make lots of money and I have fun doing it. And until 150 rolls around and I have to mop and sweep. That's not fun. Hanging out at a bar all night with beautiful drunk women is very fun though. Whoa, they got a guy handcuffed. What is this about? I gotta check on this real quick. This guy has a shirt on that says cult leader. Oh, dude, I know these guys. That is the Black Israelites. They are not fans of the whites. What's up, Yonder? Yeah.
This is Sauron Country, and you're watching Dylan's channel.
I had to say what up to Yonder real quick. Yonder was a gatekeeper of the Sunset Strip. Look at this girl is not pedaling. There was like 2 out of 5 chicks were pedaling.
Dylan, he is, I think his brain is getting fried because he's van life. You okay, man? You getting cooked